it's important that we start to find ways that we can support understanding when something is available based on time. And that can be really hard when there's not awareness of elapsed time or the math that would be required if we said right now it is 10 a.m. and we are not going to go swim until 3 p.m. When there's not awareness of that, because it's not a physical thing, it's very abstract, so it's very hard, even though we understand it completely, that is hours, and so that's going to feel like a long time. If we can't see it and we can't grasp that, then it makes it really difficult. So one thing we can do is try to use pieces of time that she is familiar with. So we might say it's 10 o'clock or it's 10 because we've been working on just the hour. So we can look at our phone, we can show what does the number say. We know that she may say 10, and that's totally fine because she's differentiating that between 10 and just 1. So that's no problem that she's not reading it as 10. But if we look at that, we say, what time is it? And then we've had a lot of questions about the pool. It's read as 10, and we're saying we can't go to the pool. It is closed, no pool until it says 3. And then we're doing what we have been doing. What time is pool? If she needs support, then we're giving the start of a prompt. We will say, and then she has been saying 3. We know that she can identify a 3. We know what that is. So it still is really hard to understand how long that is. So we could say things like between 10 and 3 will feel like a school day. So whole day at school, then swim. And then we can give some activities, like we can write down that we're going to do straws and pencils and park and come home and change and laundry and then pool. So it's a lot of things, but we know that she is able to have that long of a schedule and that it can be simply written. It does not have to be an adapted schedule anymore. So it can go even just on one of our note cards that we have. We can just write those things down. It can go in the notes app of our phone because we know that's something she likes to use also. And then when it's being brought back up, we're saying, when do we go to the pool? What numbers will it say? We're prompting her to say 3 if she hasn't said it. We're redirecting to the phone of, what does this say? After that's read, then we can say full school day until pool. Or if it's an hour left, we could say 3 Barney videos and then pool. Or if it's 10 minutes and then we're gonna leave, we could say 2 Itsy Bitsy Spider songs. And they don't have to add to the exact thing, but we're just trying to put an amount on it. And since she doesn't watch TV shows and movies, we can't really say it'll be 2 more TV shows or 1 more movie. So we want to use things that she has a point of reference for. So we know how long a school day is. We know how long a bus ride is. We know how long an OT appointment is. So we want to think, what are blocks of time she understands? Let's pair that with this and then use our clock.